I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history.
Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you a part of the Glam fam, and I'm sure that we all would. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So a lot of you guys may not know, or you probably do know, but there are a lot of essential oils on the market that are great for weight loss. I try to cater to everyone here on my channel. I try to cater to women who are trying to pick up extra weight and also women who are trying to lose weight. So today I'm catering to all of my ladies who would love to shed a few pounds, and I'm going to be sharing with you all a few essential oils that you can use to shed a few pounds on your journey. Now, as we all know, it is said that eating well and also exercising are great ways in order to lose some weight. But did you all know that there are essential oils on the market that can help you with this journey? There are a few tricks that you can use along with essential oils in order to speed up your weight loss. And also, science says that inhaling and also applying essential oils to your body can help you to curb some of those food cravings that you have, which will help you furthermore on this journey. So let me share with you 5 essential oils that can help you to shed some kilos. Number 1 on my list is lemon oil. Now, for those of you guys that are not aware or have never watched one of my vlogs, I am very familiar with lemon oil. I have always used this oil for things like applying it in my diffuser because I absolutely love the scent of it. It is a beautiful, beautiful scent, and just for different things in general. But this oil is also beneficial for shedding a few pounds. Just like lemon water, lemon essential oil is also beneficial for weight loss. This oil helps to remove toxin buildup from the body, increases your energy level, and supports healthy digestion. I mean, you guys, it is absolutely amazing. Research shows that breathing in lemon essential oil helps to boost your mood. And every now and then we all need a boost in our mood. This will help us get on the right path to getting that workout in, or to getting that energy that we just need to do everyday tasks. Now get this oil also helps to break down body fat. I mean, that's an absolutely amazing benefit. Diffuse about 2 to 3 drops of lemon essential oil for the best benefits. And you guys, I will be leaving all of these essential oils listed down below. The next one that I have here is lavender oil. And I in fact have lavender oil sitting right here because you all, I just made a video about lavender oil. So if you have not seen it, make sure that you check it out. I'm going to list it up in the cards for you guys. But lavender oil is an excellent stress reliever. It helps to relieve tension, and we need this every now and then. Now you can also get some good rest at night just by putting a little bit of lavender oil in your diffuser. I mean, that is absolutely amazing, isn't it? All of these things can be beneficial when trying to shed some extra pounds, because we all need that time where we can just relax a little bit and just get some time to get some rest. This is the perfect way for you to fall asleep in a very peaceful state and also wake up in that same peaceful state of mind. Now get this oil can also help to reduce unhealthy food cravings. That is an amazing benefit about lavender oil, and one of the reasons why I absolutely love it. Rub about 4 to 5 drops of lavender oil on your hand and sniff it, and this will help you out a lot during your day. You can also put about 2 to 3 drops of this essential oil in your hands and rub it on your temples in order to get in a very relaxed state of mind in little to no time. Also, you can take about 2 to 3 drops and apply it on your temples, your neck, and also on your wrists before bedtime for some of the best sleep that you'll ever get. Now this is another one of my favorites, you guys, and it is called Peppermint Oil. This is a very fresh minty oil, as you all can tell by the name. I mean, it is peppermint oil, for crying out loud. Peppermint oil not only helps to boost your energy, but it also helps to soothe sore muscles. So if you're working out a lot on your weight loss journey, this is going to help you out a lot because it's going to help your muscles to become relaxed, okay? So if you feel that pain and those those achy muscles after workouts, this will be your go-to oil. It also reduces the recovery time after your workout. That way, if you're willing to get back in the gym the next day, honey, you can get right to it. Smelling peppermint oil can also suppress your cravings for unhealthy food. And it also causes you to feel fuller, pushing you further in your weight loss journey because you are not overeating. If you are someone who takes a bubble bath, add about 4 to 5 drops to your bath water, or you can even add about 4 to 5 drops in the shower before you take a shower for a very relaxing, soothing shower. Now this is a delicious smelling essential oil. This oil is called Grapefruit Oil. Grapefruit oil helps to break down body fat and also speed up the metabolism, which, if you guys are not aware, the reason why a lot of us are more prone to picking up extra weight is because we have a slower metabolism than others. If you see someone and they are slim and they've been slim their whole entire lives, 9 times out of 10 this means that they have a very fast metabolism, and it can also be purely due to genetics. Massaging your stomach with grapefruit essential oil can help to reduce belly fat, which is an amazing added benefit. It also helps to regulate heart rate and also improves digestion. Oh, and honey, another one, it's also going to help to reduce your appetite. And last but not least on my list is ginger oil. Now, I have never tried ginger oil personally, but after doing much research for this video, I found that ginger oil is an amazing oil. This is the only oil on the list that I haven't tried, but you guys, I'm going to try it after this video. Ginger oil reduces inflammation and stress. It also helps to reduce cravings for sugary stuff, and it supports digestion. This oil acts as a thermogenic, meaning that it can help to burn fat and also speed up that metabolism. Add about 2 to 3 drops of ginger oil to your bath water, and or you can even just sniff some ginger oil for some of these added benefits. And that is all the oils that I have to share with you guys on today. Let me know down below if you will be trying out any of these essential oils on your weight loss journey. And if you are interested in any of the oils that I just shared with you guys, make sure that you check out the description box. I will have them all listed for you guys. Y'all know that I always got y'all covered. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and make sure that you leave your girl some stars down below.